We will be reading words with a digraph blend. Remember, a digraph blend is a blend that contains a digraph. For example, in the word pinch, the digraph blend is N-C-H. Your digraph is your CH. What makes it a blend is that there's a consonant before the digraph, which makes it a digraph blend. Let's practice reading these together. The first word, let's tap it out. Inch, pinch. Our next word, let's tap it out. Punch, punch. Here's our next word. Let's tap it out. Shrug, shrug. Let's try our last word. Munch. Let's tap it out. Munch, munch.